My name is Sami Donovan. I'm currently a third-year industrial engineering major. Like any other sophomore, I attended the winter career fair and gathered my resume and my elevator pitch and was walking around to different booths. And I ended up speaking with St. Jude Medical, where I met them and got in contact with their HR managers and such, and their IEs that were a part of the company. Ended up accepting a 6-month co-op, where that was from June to December of 2016. I actually just returned for the winter quarter. And it was an amazing experience. I was originally very skeptical to move. The internship was in Plano, Texas, just outside of Dallas, where I'm from California, never moved outside of the state, so it was all very nerve-wracking, but it was 100% worth it. They are a global medical device company where they primarily focus on devices for not only your cardiovascular health but your neurological health. Where I was stationed was in Plano, Texas, where they have their neuromodulation center. So I specifically worked on medical devices for your brain and spine. Throughout my co-op, I was working under the continuous improvement team, kind of made up of different IEs as interns and other full-time industrial engineers. And I spent a majority of my time inside the clean room where they make and sterile manufacture these neurological devices. A large portion of my duties inside the clean room kind of changed depending on the line I was working on. Each line had their own separate issues and different areas to improve. But as a whole, a lot of the focus was to increase the production capacity of that line, how many units are out the door per day and per week, in addition to increasing the efficiency of the line and ultimately line balancing the line to streamline the process and optimize the flow. My role as a co-op for the 6 months was incredibly hands-on, to where I was really taught, just like at Cal Poly, the learn by doing. I wasn't delivering coffee, I was engaging and asking questions and beginning meetings on my own, learning how to discuss and communicate with several different departments throughout the company and the entire St. Jude Medical facility, and to learn how to not only utilize communication skills, but to also take what I've learned in school and really apply that to the real world. It's kind of, there's only so much you can learn from a book. You kind of have to get out there and just do it and learn, which is really what we've learned at Cal Poly, which was kind of transmitted throughout my co-op. Several of my kind of techniques that I really kind of got to learn, that I learned in school that were really applied at my internship, were very traditional IE roles, such as time studying and value stream mapping and line balancing and flow process charts, which was really great. Really reminded me of IME 223, which was really great to kind of take those and learn the fundamentals behind what being an industrial engineer is all about, and then to kind of see what I like and what I don't like, that you don't really learn from just a textbook. One of the great things about a co-op is you get to learn what you like and don't like, and you learn it fast. Like I said, which is something you can't learn from a textbook. And so it really taught me that yes, I'm in the right major. I don't need to switch. I'm where I need to be. For example, in my kind of personality, I loved math and science, so that's why I chose engineering, but I was also really interested in kind of more the business side of engineering and without companies, and more focused on communication and really engaging in different departments within a company. So that's why I originally chose IE, and that was 100% true during my co-op, which really kind of solidified the major that I chose and that I'm where I need to be, and this is kind of my passion for the future.